Hello, everybody. Welcome to some fascinating minutes about new products and information.
Innovation is our tool. Stay tuned.
I'm glad to go with you through this digital exhibition today. My name is Gilbert Zumsteg, Director Urma Tools.
And I am Gianluca Barra, Sales and Application Manager.
We are here in our showroom at our headquarters in Rupperswil, Switzerland. Since more than 50 years, we develop and produce high-precision tools for hole making. The Urma products are represented all over the world thanks to our professional partners. Now let's have a short walk through our digital booth. First, we start historically with our first type of tools Urma made or started a long time ago, and its highlights. For example, there is the double cutter. It is still the most rigid roughing tool you can find for pre-machining bores. On the other hand, the so-called O5 fine boring head. It is a very precise tool, and it was far ahead in the former time because it was the first balanceable fine boring head in the world as well. On the third hand, we have here the Intramax, a very versatile tool who gives many options for machining. It has a big range up to almost 300 millimeters in diameter, and the options are pure roughing, pure finishing, or roughing and finishing in one shot, OD, finishing or roughing, and even actual grooving is possible with this system. Of course, meantime, all fine boring heads are available as digital version. So an adjustment within microns is no problem for precise bore machining. Now, Johnny will present you or talk about the reaming system.
Yeah, 1998 we extended our product range with reaming tools. By that time, with a state-of-the-art trade product. Soon we realized that the market was growing pretty fast, and the former state-of-the-art technology was not really satisfying. With this motivation, we developed on our own the still revolutionary Urma RX, the exchangeable reaming head system. So, meanwhile, we start at a diameter of 7.6 millimeters on the RX small range, and we go up to 140 millimeters on the RX medium. The system is known for highest performance, lowest cost per bore, and thanks to the very precise interface, it has a very good repeatability from insert to insert. So next, Gilbert will give you an overview of the three tools that we will show you today in detail.
Yes. These three products we will show you in detail afterwards. So at first we have here the VAS system, means vibration absorbing system. I think that name says everything. On the other hand, definitely a highlight of this show will be the new RX system for bigger sizes over 140 millimeters. And the third product is in our boring system called Gamma. It's an economic solution of the boring system.
Yeah, so let's start now with the first product, the Urma Gamma system, our basic line. Enjoy the small intro. Welcome back. So I hope this video gave you a little overview over the Urma Gamma system. So we call it our basic line, and it's a very economical system reduced to the basic features. It offers a large range starting from 0.2 millimeters up to 297. Thanks to the cylindrical shank, it is system independent. And it is also a very good solution for turning machines, especially for live tools. And due to the axial support that we offer, we have a very high stability. And of course, it's proven Urma boring system technology. Now you can see the G14 double cutter head. It is available in metric as well as in inch version. We cover a range of 19.5 millimeters up to 88 millimeters, and the usable length is between 2 and 2.5 times D.
The fine boring heads, G25 for example, covers the same range as their twin cutters and same length. Additionally, we have also the so-called GO5 fine boring head for the range of 0.2 to 40 millimeters. Everything in inch version as well for our US friends. And yeah, then as it says, it's a basic line, and that means all fine boring heads are available in this system, just analog and not balanceable. The next step are the Intramax. And this, you can take benefit from all the advantages of an Intramax, like I told you before about the system, like face grooving, like OD machining, roughing finishing, and so on. You can take these benefits on the Gamma system too. The smaller system is hauled with a cylindrical shank as well, but the bigger system, where we go up to almost 300 millimeters, is hauled on a shell mill adapter with 32 millimeter or 3/8 of an inch. So that gives to this bigger system the right stability, the proper stability. So Johnny will now show you those tools one by one, and yeah, thank you.
Thanks. Yeah, so as you can see here, we have a small selection displayed here from our new Gamma system. Here, for example, you can see one of the smaller G14 double cutter systems. Of course, as already told, it is equipped with a cylindrical shank and a well-done face. You can clamp those tools in any holder that accepts a cylindrical shank, e.g. pullets, hydro chucks, well-done, and so on. Here you can see the small Intramax equipped with the axial support nut, which is pretty easy to use. You just screw it down all the way to the bottom. You take your hook key and you tight it snug. That's it. And now you have a perfect rigidity. Here you can see the bigger Intramax system with the shell mill connection that Gilbert already told about it. And this one fits also on any standard shell mill holder. Maybe.
If it fits.
If it fits, yeah.
If it fits.
It's so precise, it's difficult sometimes. Yeah. So this is it.
Yeah, let's go to a summary of this Gamma system. It's definitely a perfect tool for chop shops and or beginners as well. And a great option for turning machines, or let's say lathe, on live tools, because with the cylindrical shank it's easy to adapt in the turning machines. And very important, independent of any system. That's those holders. Your customers has that already in the facility, but still the head technology is a proven Urma technology. Very important, of course, the availability. These tools are from right now on stock. As next, we will talk about the VAS bars, the modular anti-vibration tool. Please enjoy as well here a nice video. Yeah.
What a nice video, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
Definitely.
All right. Welcome back. So, Urma VAS, Vibration Absorbing System. We cover 3 different sizes in our range. We start with Beta 40, Beta 50, and Beta 63. Here on the screen, you can see the Beta 40 version. It is available in 6, 8, and 10 times D. On the machine side, we have a Beta 63 interface, and on the cutting edge side or the tool side, we have a Beta 40. This is our range on the Beta 50 size. we offer here 4, 6, 8, and 10 times D modular extensions. Here you get the same thing on the machine side, beta 63, and on the tool side, beta 50. As some of you might know, the beta 50 is not used in the Urma boring system, but it is a very interesting size for milling applications. And here you can see the biggest VAS we have. That's the beta 63. We got also here 4 different sizes, 4, 6, 8, and 10 times D. Here the 2 shorter ones are equipped with beta 63 back and front, and the 2 longer ones have a beta 80 on the machine side.
This slide gives you a nice overview what possibilities you have with this modular system. It is definitely something unique because a modular system on the rear end and front end means machine side and cutting tool side is so far not available on the market. So it's very unique and additionally also usable for milling, not only for boring tools. Yeah, you can see you can adapt whatever type of taper, machine side and on the front side, in addition to all the boring options you have until a diameter of almost 300 millimeter. You have the shell mill adapters for shell mills, and you have as well the welding adapters for end mills. So Johnny will show you again the tools in real. Please, Johnny.
Thanks, Gilbert. Yeah, we have here small selections of our tools displayed. Here you can see this is the longest VAS bar that we have. That's the beta 63 10 times D. And what I would like to show you today is this little screw that you see here on the bar. Every bar is equipped with 2 screws, one on this side and one on the other side. So these screws are here for the tuning. Of course, all extensions are tuned under cutting conditions and set to a standard vibration absorbing value. But additionally, it is possible to optimize the boring bar or the VAS extension to your application. So milling, fine boring, roughing, and so on. And as everybody knows, every machine, every application, and every clamping is different, especially when it comes to rigidity. So this is why an additional retuning is sometimes needed. So, and now I will show you a couple application videos and enjoy. Yeah, welcome back. I hope you have an idea of the performance which is possible with the VAS bar now. So, Urma, VAS. Stands for high cutting data in long bores and/or projection lengths. It's a unique system for boring and milling applications. It's applicable for roughing, finishing, and milling. And thanks to the beta modularity, it is machine independent. And regarding the availability, we got you covered. We have everything on stock.
Now we go to our product, our new product, RX Large. It is a new type in our reaming family, and it's the highlight of this tool show. Please enjoy the video too. Welcome back. Yeah, that was a little overview over RX Large. It's a nice tool.
It is.
Well, the key points of this system is, of course, the range. We cover 140 to 200.6 millimeters. So we are going to the bigger sizes, to the bigger parts. Well, the high precision and easy handling we have still, because it's based on the RX technology. That means the interface in between reaming head and holder is still this RX interface. Thanks to that, of course, the short machining time and the high performance cutting we can realize. A high flexibility we have still due to the modularity, the same like RX, but now in combination with insert technology too. No adjustment. The meaning is still no adjustment effort for the customer. But yes, additionally, quick and easy, these worn out reaming heads can be reconditioned.
Yeah, the system. We offer a usable range, diameter range of 10 millimeters per ring. Thanks to stock inserts, we can realize a very short delivery. The handling. Quick and easy changing of a reaming head reduces operating errors to a minimum.
The precision. Highest positioning accuracy by every change of reaming head. I mentioned it before, due to the RX interface, so we are talking about below 4 microns each change. And that allows a reliable machining of precise bores. The flexibility comes from the modularity, so you can adapt the tool length with standard components to your application. But now with the insert technology, easy can be made a change to a different geometry and or coating. And any intermediate size and or type of tolerance is available without surcharge.
The insert. We offer standard as well as customized geometries. Of course, we use the latest cutting materials and coatings to offer you the best performance in tool life. And the insert technology is patent pending. The savings. Productivity increased through high feed rates by maintaining a maximum of process reliability. Reaming head change easy and quick. No additional adjustments needed. And this reduces the machine downtime to a minimum.
As always, we try to consider also the sustainability in our products. I think we were able to reduce the carbohydrate, in this case, to a minimum. Due to the circumstance that the body of this insert, the reaming head, the insert holder himself, is a steel body, and unlimited reconditioning is possible. And in addition, not unnecessary contamination of our environment by brazing. The system, the range of 140 to 200.6 millimeters, we covers with 3 system sizes, means 3 different holder sizes. On every holder, every holder is made to hold 2 reaming heads, each one with a range of 10 millimeter in diameter, means 20 millimeter each holder size. Another little detail of this new reaming head are the coolant nozzles. The coolant nozzles for an optimal coolant flow on the complete diameter range. That's not easy because, if the insert goes more out of the body, probably the coolant flow could not be very precise to the cutting edge. But we covered that with 3 different coolant nozzles with different angles, and that's our nice solution for this internal coolant.
Yeah, and how does it work with the order? It's pretty simple. It's the same deal as you're already used with the RX medium or the RX small. We here at Urma, we assemble the ring and adjust it to the size that you need. After that, it gets shipped over to our Urma partner, which takes care of the customer. In case of reconditioning, it's very simple. The customer puts the ring back into the multiple use package, ships it back to the Urma partner, and he takes care of the reconditioning. After that, it gets back to the customer and back on the machine. So now, Gilbert will show you the tool live here in detail.
Yeah. You can see some assembled RX large tools, and here with the compact version with direct taper and holder. Here the beta version with the beta taper and the shank, where you can find as well these 4 screws for the run-out adjustment, like here as well. You know that already from the RX system, because these are RX components. The new parts are the holders here, the system size holders, because of course, as you could see before, these are adapted to the bigger sizes. Interesting is definitely the reaming head, we call that, or probably somebody is calling it reaming ring. That's the part like it comes to your customer. Completely assembled, completely adjusted to the size, to the application of your customer. That means also with the right geometry for his application, if it is through hole or blind hole, whatever. It comes equipped, and with the RX interface, it guarantees this high positioning accuracy. The special nuts here to clamp the insert and this cover plate here prevents unwanted manipulations on this ring. Here at side you can see a package or a box for this reaming ring. Like this, it is shipped to the partner, finally to the customer. The same box is multi-use, a multi-use package, so the same box has value to send back for reconditioning and up, forth and down, up and down, whatever. Yeah, that's the way how that works. Finally, the 3 coolant nozzles, as I explained before, these are the 3 coolant nozzles. You cannot see any difference because this is only the angles, and this guarantees the perfect coolant flow in every range of diameter to the cutting edge.
Yeah, thanks, Gilbert. As next, we will show you an application example. You see here on the slide, it's a prototype version of the one that you saw here. We will machine here a diameter of 160 millimeters with a tolerance of 25 microns, and the total tool length is 600 millimeters. The material is a C40 modified, similar to a 1040, but it's just a lot tougher. Regarding the cutting data, we were running 120 meters a minute with a feed rate of 0.12 millimeters per tooth. Enjoy the video.
Yeah, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed. By the way, in the first video, this length was made here in this case with a special extension. It was not a VAS, because usually it's not necessary to use VAS on reaming tools. So this was a aluminum extension to reduce weight, just as side information. Let me come back to a summary of the feature of this RX Large. Definitely the main point is the easy handling and therefore no adjustment effort for the customer. That we would like to take as the same way as we do it with RX. Low cost per bore, of course, because less downtime, very quick and easy handling, and high performance cutting, of course. The high flexibility we have, or you have, with the modularity, and additionally with the insert technology. And we can say a reconditioned reaming head is equal to a new one, because you get new inserts placed on the body. Now, a very important point is definitely the availability. We will be ready in about 3 months. That means January 2021. Then we will have all those tools on stock.
Yeah, so now we got to the end of this presentation, and we say thank you very much for attending this journey through our digital product show.
Thanks a lot. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have a great day and see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.